Morning everyone. Hope so you all of you watching the continuous online lecture. In previous lectures we discussed about the second topic clinical pathology and studied about the gastric analysis, urine examination, importance of cerebrospinal fluid examination. Today we are going to discuss liver function test. What is a liver? We can see one picture here, and liver is an organ. It is located mainly in the upper portion of abdomen and above the stomach. All blood leaving the stomach and intestine passes through the liver. Here is a connections of capillary networks or artery vein networks. We can see the all blood leaving the stomach and intestine passes through the liver, and location of liver upper of abdomen and above the stomach. Functions of liver. Why liver is important and why we give the importance to the liver? Because liver carries many functions like carbohydrate metabolism, in which glycolysis, glycogen synthesis and breakdown of glucogenesis is takes place. Carbohydrate metabolism is most important. Here is a maintenance of glucose or sugar level. Then next is a lipid metabolism. In lipid metabolism, the synthesis of fatty acid, ketogenesis, cholesterol synthesis and excretion takes place. Bile acid synthesis also takes place in the lipid metabolism. Next function is protein metabolism. In protein metabolism, urea synthesis from ammonia, synthesis of plasma protein and synthesis of coagulation factors in protein metabolism. Then next function is hormone metabolism. In hormone metabolism, excretion of steroid hormones and metabolism of peptide hormones. Excretion of steroid hormones and metabolism of peptide hormones. Then next is synthesis of plasma protein, cholesterol, clotting factors and tag and lipoproteins. Next function is a detoxification. Ammonia is detoxified to urea, and drugs and other xenobiotics are detoxified and excreted. Next function is excretion. Excretion is a excretion of bile pigments and bile salt into the bile. Then next function is storage function. Storage, glycogen storage, vitamin A, D, K, B12 and iron storage takes place in liver. Then next important function is a regulation of blood glucose level by hepatic glycolysis and glucogenesis. These processes are very important, glycogenesis and gluconeogenesis. These all process takes place in liver, so that's why the liver are very important. And next is liver function test. Liver function tests are a group of blood tests that give information about the state of patient's liver, or it is a liver enzyme test. In blood we find out the enzymes normal or abnormality, which is increases or decreases, and when it decreases which diseases occur, or increases of enzymes which diseases occur. With the help of these enzymes, pathologists detect the diseases or disorder. This test usually measures aniline transminase, means ALT. Second, albumin. Third is aspartate aminotransferase, is also known as AST. Fourth one is alkaline phosphate. Fifth one, total protein, and sixth one is bilirubin. First is alanine transminase, ALT. Alanine transminase, it is an enzyme and it helps to speed up protein reaction. When liver is injured or inflamed, the large amount of ALT occur in liver cells. Actually, it is present in a small amount, but it is a quantity increases, then we diagnose the liver is injured or inflame because it helps to speed up the reaction. And then the blood level of ALT is light. Alanine transferase increases in blood when any liver injury or inflammation occur in liver. Then next is albumin. Albumin, this is the main protein made by the liver and it is circulate in the bloodstream. The ability to make albumin is affected in some types of liver disorders. Means low level of blood albumin occurs in liver disorders. If the albumin level is decreases, the occur because of occur in liver disorder. Because of the liver disorder, the albumin level is decreases. Next one is aspartate aminotransferase, AST. It is an enzyme usually found in a liver cell. If blood test detect the high level of AST, it means liver is injured. But it is also released if a heart or skeletal muscles is damaged. So this is not appropriate test for the liver disease diagnosis. Because of this, that ALA is most specifically of liver problem. Means alanine transaminase is mostly useful for detection of any liver disorders or diseases. Next is alkaline phosphate. Alkaline phosphate, it is the enzyme occur mainly in liver cells and next to liver cells, bile duct and bone. ALP rise in blood level some types of liver and bone diseases. Means any type of bone disease present in human body, then the ALP concentration rise into the blood. Next is a total protein. In total proteins, this measures the albumin and other protein. Next one is the bilirubin. But what is a bilirubin? Bilirubin is made during the normal breakdown of RBC because RBC dead into the liver and form into the bone marrow. When the complete life cycle of RBC occurs, the breakdown takes place into the liver and high level of bilirubin will make as a jaundice. If the level of bilirubin is increases, it means jaundice is present. Two types of bilirubin. First is a conjugated bilirubin and second one is a unconjugated bilirubin. Unconjugated bilirubin found in condition like hepatitis, liver injury, long-term alcohol abuse. Then second is unconjugated bilirubin. It occurs when excessive breakdown of RBC. It occurs when excessive breakdown of RBCs, for example, hemolytic anemia. With the help of all these enzymes or bilirubin test, pathologists reach to the conclusion which disease is occur due to this changing concentration of this enzyme. This is the liver functional test and it is a very easy test. Today we stop here. Thank you.